Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to repeat first column on left of each page in Excel. Say we have long data like this. You can see here it is spread on different pages and the heading is appearing on first page only. There is no heading on the start of next page. And if you want to repeat this column on left of each page, just go in page layout, select print titles, and here you can see columns to replace at left. Click on here and select the column. Click here and click on OK. Now if you will go in print preview, here you can see the row is repeated on left of each page. As I am clicking on pages, you can see it has been repeated. So this is done. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel.